Next topic is test for similarity of triangles. First test is AAA test, that is angle test. Let us draw two triangles, that is ABC. Another triangle is PQR. Angle A is 40, angle P is 40, angle B is 50, angle B is 50, angle C is 180 झाला पाहिजे actually addition sum property. In next figure, angle P is 70. So angle A is congruent to angle B, which is equal to 70. Next, angle B is congruent to angle Q, which is equal to 50. Angle C is congruent to angle R, which is 60. Therefore, triangles are congruent by triangle ABC is congruent. Similarity है ना, sorry. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AA test of similarity. This sign is of similar. Next test is SAS test, that is side angle side. ABC. Next diagram is PQR. Side means one side is congruent. Angle B is congruent to angle Q. Again side. First AB is congruent to PQ. Angle B is congruent to angle Q. AC is congruent to PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS test of similarity. Next test is SSS test. ABC PQR. AB is congruent to PQ, BC is congruent to QR, AC is congruent to PR. AB is congruent to PQ, BC is congruent to QR, AC is congruent to PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SSS test of similarity. Next test, AA test, that is angle test. ABC PQR. Angle A is congruent to angle A, angle B is congruent to angle Q. Angle A is congruent to angle B, angle B is congruent to angle Q. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AA test of similarity, which is based on test of similarity of triangle property. First sum, in the figure this is A, C, B, D, E. Angle D is 75, angle E is also 75. In the figure given angle ABC is equal to 75 degree. Angle EDC is also equal to 75 degree. Now state which two triangles are similar, and by which test also write similarity of these two triangles by proper one-to-one correspondence. Now let us consider two triangles. One triangle is triangle ABC and another triangle is triangle DCE. In triangle ABC and triangle DCE, big triangle and another one is small triangle, angle B is congruent to angle D side, which is equal to 75. This part is given. Now next angle C is common angle, that is ACB. ACB is congruent to angle DCE. DCE. In middle angle C is common angle. Now two angles are congruent, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle DCE by AA test of similarity. Now second sum. Which test? First diagram is PQR, another one is LMN. PQ is 6, QR is 8, PR is 10, LM is 3, MN is 4, LN is 5. Now for this we have to find ratios, that is first ratio will be PQ is to LM, second ratio will be QR is to MN, and third ratio will be PR is to LN. In triangle PQR and triangle LMN, PQ upon LM, value of PQ is 6, value of LM is 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are, that is equal to 2:1, which is equation 1. Next ratio will be QR upon MN. QR is 8, MN is 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are, which is equal to 2:1. This is equation 2. Next ratio will be PR upon LN. PR is 10, LN is 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are, which is equal to 2:1. This is equation 3. Now from 1, 2 and 3, all three ratios are same, therefore triangles are similar by, sides are same, therefore triangles are similar by SS test of similarity. From 1, 2 and 3, triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN by SSS test of similarity. Shown in the figure, two poles of height as shown in the figure. Two poles of height 8 meter, AC is 8 meter, PR is 4 meter, are perpendicular to the ground. QR is the ground in first figure and BC is the ground in the second figure. If the length of the shadow of smaller pole is PR and larger pole is bigger pole is AC. Sunlight is 6. Now PR is the pole, therefore shadow cast will be PQ, and the if the length of the shadow of the smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, that is QR is 6, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? That is, we have to find the value of BC. Let us consider BC as X. Now first PR and AC are the two poles and QR and BC are the shadows. Now consider two triangles, that is PQR and triangle ABC. Angle R is congruent to angle C, each 90 degree. Angle P is congruent to angle A. Why? Because shadow is cast at the same time, therefore angles are congruent, that is angle P is congruent to angle A. Shadow cast at the same time, therefore triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC by two angles, therefore AA. Test of similarity. As studied in 9th standard, we can take ratios of each two triangles, that is 1:2, that is PQ upon AB, 2:3, that is QR upon BC, and 1:3, that is PR upon AC. Now substitute the values. PQ we don't know, AB also we don't know, so this ratio will get cancelled out. Next, QR is 6, BC is X, PR is 4, AC is 8. Cross multiply. 6 into 8 is equal to 4 into X. 6 into 8 upon 4 is equal to X. 4 ones are 4 twos are, X is equal to 12. Therefore BC is equal to 12 meter. Final answer, the length of the shadow of bigger pole is 12 meter. Important sum. AP is perpendicular to BC, BQ is perpendicular to AC, B dash, P dash, C, A dash, Q dash, C. Then prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. Now solution. Consider two triangles, that is which triangles we have to prove, will consider that triangle. Triangle CPA, in triangle CPA and triangle CQB, angle P is congruent to angle CPA and BQC. Angle P is congruent to angle Q. Angle P is congruent to angle Q, each 90 degree. Next, angle C is congruent to angle C, that is angle ACP is congruent to angle BCQ. Common angle ACB is congruent to angle BCQ. Common angle, therefore triangles are similar by AA test. AA test of similarity. Now triangles are similar, so we can consider ratios. that is CP upon CQ, second PA upon QB, and third is CA upon CB. Reason is corresponding CSCT that is equal to corresponding sides of CSST of similar triangle. Now substitute the values. Value of CP and CQ we don't know, so let us cancel this ratio. PA is 7, BQ is 8, CA we have to find, and CB is 12. Cross multiply. 7 into 12 upon 8 is equal to CA. 4 2s are 4 3s are 7 3s are is 21 upon 2 is equal to CA. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 0.25s are 10. 10.5. Therefore CA is equal to 10.5. Therefore AC, value of AC is equal to 10.5. Seg AC and seg BD intersects each other. This is seg AC, this is seg BD, which intersects at particular point. That point is P, and AP upon CP. AP is congruent to CP and BP is congruent to PD. Then prove that triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP. Now in triangle ABP and triangle CDP, AP, seg AP is congruent to seg PC, that is given. Next, seg BP is congruent to seg PD, which is also given. Now angle P is congruent to angle P, X formation. Therefore angle APB is congruent to angle CPD by vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. Therefore triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP, two sides and one angle. Therefore SAS, test of similarity. Now next sum, 9th. In the figure, in triangle ABC, point D is on side BC such that BAC is equal to angle DAC. Then prove that given in triangle ABC, angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC. To prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Proof. Consider two triangles, that is triangle BAC, larger triangle, and smaller triangle, that is ADC. Now given part is angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC, reason given. Now angle A is congruent to angle A. or angle C is congruent to angle C, that is common angle, that is BCA is congruent to angle DCA. Reason, common angle, and common angle over here is angle C. Therefore, triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC by AA test of similarity. Now, take ratios, that is BA upon AD, that is 1 to 1 to. Next is AC upon DC, and third is BC upon AC. Now check to prove that part. We need CA square. So first part will get cancelled out. AC upon DC is equal to BC upon AC. Cross multiply. AC into AC is equal to BC into DC. AC into AC is AC square. BC into CD. That is AC square is equal to CB into CD. Hence